Alright, so here we have September's tuner crate box. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy car parts. And that's pretty much the same thing. Money, money, money. Yep, I agree. So, well, let's see what we got. Is it the same design box as, yep. Alright, well, let's open it up. Alright, let's see what we have. Sounds like a few loose items in there. So I'm gonna reach in there, I'm gonna grab my slip that has my information on it. Alright. Oh, so we got another Fast and Furious one. I guess where this one's going. With the collection up over here next to me. Do I even have this? Let me see. I don't. So that's gonna go up there. That's dope. Little sticker from the scene in the movie. Little cards. Oh, that's clean. Static. Wrench. Not loud, just not fast, just loud. Like I said on my other video. That's me. Smaller sticker of the what was on the box on the cover earlier. Got another rose thorn air freshener. What the heck is this? A little portable aroma diffuser. Huh. That's a little random, but I'll take it. Beach rose. Fragrance. I'm guessing this might go with that. I don't know. I don't really know anything about that. Then we got an Alliance pin. Got some pliers. And I had so many of those. Tools are dope. And then in green, literally the same as the shirt. I mean, not the shirt, I mean the box cover. It's pretty much the same thing. Literally. Same thing. We got the second shirt. Okay, so this month they did a variety of color. I like that. I'm used to seeing black, so I was complaining about that a few videos ago. But that's dope that they're throwing in some different color. Automotive lifestyle tuner crate, Los Angeles, California. For a second I thought this was like an in and out shirt. It looked like it. Just, I was looking at the palm trees. And then the bigger blown up version. Sticker. Good. Alright, so this is the fragrance oil for the diffuser they gave us. I think it's a little random, but I guess pretty dope. Yeah, at least they threw in the oil for it. That's pretty cool. I give it that to them because I was not expecting at least the diffuser oil. This he's gonna have a special spot with all the other ones I've got. I've got my wheels right here, so I can't really get to it. Here are all the other ones I've had. Let me see what I can on my light. Come on. Got that one, I don't know if it was last box or a few boxes ago. And then all the other ones at the bottom I got, my brother got them for me from Christmas. But guess where you're going. RX-7 from Han. Right up there. And I think I got more in the room, but I know for a fact I don't got any of the Fast and Furious ones out here. Alright, and then we got some pliers. Can't really go wrong with having a set of pliers. You can throw them in any car, which is having your toolbox. Guess what I'm about to do? They got thrown in my toolbox. Then we got Alliance tuner crate pin. So money can't buy happiness, but it can buy car parts, and that is pretty much the same thing. Sticker. Not fast, just loud. Yep, I feel it. Just a skull with piston across. Wrench on. Static. I'm not static, but this is a dope sticker. Then we got, oh, what the frick? I don't know what I just saw. I just saw something or heard something up in here. It scared the living poo out of me. I'm in my garage. Let's probably a mouse. I'm scared. I got the cards. Got a Chevelle SS right there. Corvette. And Fair Lady right here. Okay, there's definitely something up in here. A bit like the dog squirrel. But I ain't like that. Look, scared me because I wasn't expecting anything up in here. Just a Rose Thorn air freshener. Then a smaller sticker, the bigger sticker from the scene. I don't know what movie. I think it was Fast. I want to say 5, 6. I don't know anymore. But here's the shirt. Let me put you guys down for a bit. Alright, so here's the shirt. One of them. And the second shirt. I do like the color of the green, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. If you want to comment what you liked from this box, go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description, that way you guys can check them out. And then I'll catch you guys in the next video.